Hey guys, welcome to another Mariah tutorial. I've done a YouTube shorts on this look, but I feel like obviously it wasn't long enough, so I came back on here to create a full version one. Now, I told you guys I am back on YouTube regardless if that means I'm uploading shorts, uploading videos. I took like a long month. I don't know what that was, but I took a break, so I'm back now. If there's anything you guys want to see, please comment down below and make sure it's something achievable and something that I can do. So if I never do your request, it's because it's probably something I don't know how to do or can't do, but I will try my best always. I'm just being honest with you guys. Now, I am doing underpainting for this look because I feel like Mariah was very glowy in this music video. She was so beautiful in this music video, still is. I just love how youthful this look is, and that's exactly what we're going for. As you can see, even without makeup, the underpainting is making me look like I did a full face of foundation. It just makes my skin look really nice. So whenever you do have time, try to underpaint because it really works. I was using some liquid blushes from Grande Cosmetics, and now I'm gonna start with foundation. So even with the foundation on top, the color should still pop. So I am just gonna take a creamy, it's kind of tan, not too tan for my complexion though. As soon as I put on some concealer, you'll see that it's not too bright or anything, but I am running it down my neck. Don't forget the neck, even if we're making funny faces. So just blend everywhere. Like I said, I'm going for that youthful, glowy look. I am using my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. That was like a tongue twister. Oldie but a goodie, works every time. The applicator's a little small though now that I've switched to different concealers. My God, just like choked on my own air. Anyways, I'm carving out my eyebrows so I can make them a little more thin. So I feel like my eyebrows are kind of thick for this look. I'm not going to hide my brows. I always get dragged every time I do that. Some people are just so mean. Like, if you don't have anything good to say, don't say anything at all. I really don't get it. Like, people are always trying to rain on my parade. Anyways, I'm making my eyebrows very thin. And now I'm taking my e.l.f. powder. I love this powder. Honestly, this is a really good powder. You hit pan really fast, but it keeps it looking snatched all day. This is the powder I took with me to Japan, and my makeup lasted from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. at night. It looked really good. So now I am doing my brows. Remember, brows are sisters, not twins. It's really hard to get them even, but you can always try your best. Like I said, I am making them nice and thin. This is thin, in my opinion, for me. So yeah. Love this look. I feel like it's very easy to achieve. I feel like those were as even as it was gonna get. Anyways, I'm gonna take my Dido Shiny Sun palette. Love this palette. It's perfect for this look. You wanna take like a red, coppery, brown eyeshadow because she has those reds in her eyes and it just looks so beautiful and very summery. And since summer is coming to an end, I wanna make sure that we are pulling that off. Guys, before we know it, it's going to be September, and I got to already start coming up with Halloween looks. Please comment below what you would want to see me do. Please talk to me. I know that I only get like 200 views on YouTube now. Well, I have been for years. But for the people who do watch me, that's 200 of you to give me suggestions, and that's enough for me to make videos for you guys. So please comment down below what kind of Halloween looks you want to see, or if there's any nostalgia videos that you have not seen me recreate, please share below. There's 1,000,001. I've been really wanting to do like a Shania video. Like, I have a short on Shania hairstyle, but I really feel like I should do like a makeup tutorial. She has so many iconic music video looks, so I'm really thinking Shania Twain. But as of right now, that's all I got. So I can circle back to Friends and do a part 3 Phoebe look, or maybe some more Lindsay Lohan looks. Just let me know. A lot of those videos are short formatted videos though, and it's always easier for me to do them as shorts. So if you see me uploading videos that you haven't seen, it's usually going to be in shorts format, but trust me, I am going to try to do them as normal. And I feel like I'm just rambling on and not even telling you guys what I'm doing. I am taking a bunch of purples and browns, earthy tone eyeshadows, and just giving myself this smoky eye concoction that was really popular in the late 90s and actually early 90s too. Mariah was the queen of looks. She had it going on. Like, I loved everything she did. She's truly an icon, one of my idols. I will love her forever. I try to get as close to her looks as I possibly can, but they can't ever come close to the actual queen herself. But anyways, I just used some brown eyeliner, creating that smoky look. It doesn't have to be perfect. We didn't reach perfection, I think, until 2017. I'm just kidding. I don't know. It's whatever. I'm using my big fluffy brush. And as you can see, my nose is still pretty pink from the underpainting. So that's really great. I really took my time on this look. I just loved the way it came out. I'm honestly very proud of the eyeshadow. I feel like it's very true to Mariah. I actually tried going to a movie theater to film parts and bits of this tutorial, but apparently you can't go in a movie theater like to the parts where there's arcade games and everything without presenting to someone a movie ticket. That's kind of annoying, but so I couldn't get that footage for you guys. Anyways, I'm using my e.l.f. Halo Glow liquid blush, or it's like a liquid highlighter, I mean. It's amazing. You guys should go grab it. It works really good and it's very inexpensive. We are going to go lash free with this look, meaning no falsies. I know that sounded funny. Fake lash free. That's what I meant. And we are just gonna put a lot of mascara on our natural lashes. We're gonna keep it all natural because Mariah looked very natural in this music video and youthful. It was the 90s, guys. They didn't put too much emphasis on makeup when you were doing girl next door looks, obviously. But there are some really amazing looks in the 90s that I should come in here and recreate. We're pretty much done with the makeup. I wanted to show you guys what I did because she has a little pink tattoo in the music video. So I got one of these faux tattoos, placed it right under my shoulder blade, and voila, it looks so good. I just wanted to show you guys that real quick. Now for the lips. This is going to be a concoction. I am using Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk Medium lip liner because it looked like she had a darker lip line, which is true to the 90s. And I am also going to take, what lipstick am I using? Okay, it's the Milani lipstick, and natural, I think that's the color. It's just like a super natural lipstick, that's why it's called natural. Then I'm taking my Halo Glow, and this is actually their blush as a lip gloss, and it leaves this really nice metallic finish. Super 90s. That is pretty much it. I'm gonna show you how I did the effortless wet hair look, which was also very popular. And I have noticed a few people saying that I should convert to modern looks, and that's not gonna happen because I've built this channel on nostalgia. So that's what we're gonna keep it. I'm recreating looks from the past. Every now and then I'll throw in a bonus modern video, but I don't care too much for it. Regardless if my channel dies completely, which it already is, I'm just gonna keep doing my thing until the end of YouTube. So as you can see, I just used my own finger to kind of create curls in my hair. My hair has gotten its curls back since I've stopped doing box dyes. I only go to the salon for my hair pretty much now, unless I use cream color at home, which if I do, I always share with you guys the products that I use. Now I'm gonna use some mousse. This is what's gonna give me more of that body and bounce. And if you don't have curly hair, you guys, I would suggest using like a beach waver to get Mariah's kind of look, and then put in wet products afterwards. So I'm using a diffuser here. This is what really gets my hair texture to get curly. Diffusers are the way to go. If you do have stick straight hair, I would suggest using a beach waver because it's gonna be really hard for your hair to be curly. So that is my tips, or you can sleep with braids to get that heatless kind of look and then add gel and all that, because that's what's going to give you that wet hair presentation, if you will. So I am taking out my natural curls that I use just with my fingers, and they look pretty good, look like Mariah's. Her hair is a little longer than mine in this music video, but I wanted to keep this look very wearable and not super like I'm going to put extensions in. I did that in my shorts, so if you want to see the look with extensions, you can watch my shorts. But I put in a cute little pink flower, and this look is ready to go. I have this cute pink crotchet top. I can't remember where I got it. I think Etsy, and some low-rise jeans with the belt loop ripped out, and I got those from Fashion Nova. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this effortless 90s summer look, very youthful. Bye.